Hi, everybody. Welcome to AccreditedInvestorLeads.com. My name is John Fischer. I'm the owner of the company. And today I want to go over a couple of products that we sell, specifically oil and gas leads. And let's define oil and gas leads. What do we mean by oil and gas leads? Oil and gas means a venture. Usually, most of the time, it's a drilling venture where they're going to drill a well. Most of the time, it's an offset. So right across the fence or the adjacent lease, there's a well that's already producing, and the hope is that with all the geology they did, that by drilling in this particular spot, we're going to tap into the actual same pay zone. And so that's what oil and gas investments look like. It could be wildcatting, it could be any of it, but oil and gas investments, or oil and gas, the term oil and gas usually means some type of a drilling venture. Sales leads, sales means that they're going to buy, and leads means a name, address, and a phone number. So oil and gas sales leads or oil and gas investor leads, it's the same exact thing. It's just many. We have accredited investor leads and accredited investor lists. We have accredited investor buyers. I mean, there's all kinds of terminology. But the oil and gas leads pertain to people that will invest in oil and gas. Now, keep in mind that when you're talking about a private placement, you can only have accredited investors. Now, that private placement is specifically made as a investment vehicle that you could bring people in without a license, without a security license, and put an investment together. The requirement is that their people are accredited. So again, the definition of an accredited investor is $200,000 income last 2 years, or $300,000 combined, million net worth not including his home, experience in managing his personal portfolio. And that's when we cross over to the accredited investor leads for oil and gas, or oil and gas accredited investors, or oil and gas leads. I hope you understand where I'm going with all this. Now, another thing we do is real estate investor. So right now it's become really big, especially with the price of crude being below $30 a barrel. You see a lot of real estate deals starting to pop up again. And the market's not quite topped out yet, not in my opinion. I think the commercial market now is starting to get real big. So when you see these real estate investor or real estate investor, people going to Google and punching real estate investor, real estate investors, most of the time they're talking about just flat out buying the actual projects. If you're talking about a private placement and you've got a partnership put together, a better keyword to use would be accredited real estate accredited investors, or accredited investors real estate, or real estate accredited investors, whatever variation of that. And I'll tell you what, the leads that we sell at AccreditedInvestorLeads.com are exactly that. Our people have all been surveyed by a broker-dealer. He's got skin in the game. He's hoping to make that 10% commission. The other stuff out there is junk. If it's not the phone book, modeled information, the 7-cent leads. I mean, I love the people that sell 7-cent leads. Please, if you think you can buy, an accredited investor is going to buy anything from you for 7 cents, please don't call me. Please don't call me, okay? It's a joke. The stuff that we buy is rare. The stuff that we buy is not surveyed by somebody in the Philippines or the coast of Costa Rica, or some $12, $15 an hour guy who wouldn't know an accredited investor if he saw one. Just next time you think about buying a surveyed lead, ask yourself, you're probably an accredited investor. If you are an accredited investor, would you give up your private information to a complete stranger? No, you wouldn't. I don't. But if some guy called me from a real estate deal and he started telling me, hey, we've got this property, it used to be a strip mall, and now we're going to do this, and we got this one company to become an anchor. Would you be interested in maybe becoming one of our partners? Oh, yeah. I'm going to tell him that I am an accredited investor. I'm going to take a look at that private placement memorandum, tear it apart, and make sure it's what I want to do. And if I like it, I may just get involved in that deal. So that's how these particular leads work. Much higher qualified. Keep in mind, we've been in business for 26 years now. We have an A+ rating. We have no complaints. And guess what? I'm the only salesperson. One salesperson. So the leads don't get cooked. We don't sell Village Bike, been ridden by everybody. And pretty much everybody from on the West Coast, Illinois, California, Kentucky Fried Turkey. These are just people that are cooked. That's why we call the Village Bike, been ridden by everybody. Hey, I hope I gave you enough information. Hey, this is the official Piker ball. And if you do a $2,500 order with you, you get one of these for free. And we also have the football piker ball. If you don't know what a piker is, give me a call at 800-590-5323. Hey, thank you so much for your time. Have a beautiful day, and God bless.